Here's how to resize video in CapCut. So the first step is to import your videos, and then after that you just have to simply add it to your timeline. So as you can see, we have our video. Now what we're gonna have to do, so if we select the video on the timeline, we can use this to scale it. So if you want, you can use this bar, or you can simply drag the corners. Now what you can do, you can also deselect uniform scale, and then basically from here you can scale it however you want. Now another thing that we can do is that we can rotate this video, and if you want to change the aspect ratio, what we're gonna have to do, so let me change here so you can see it better. So if we click on ratio, we can select either custom and enter a custom value, or use this preset. So this one is for YouTube videos, and this one is for TikToks, shorts, etc. So you just have to use this and then simply scale your video according to what you want to create. So basically that's all you have to do. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.